guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to set up Stripe payment in WooCommerce. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do here is we need to access our WooCommerce or our WordPress website. Now in this case, once logged in and in your dashboard here, what we need to do is we need to access WooCommerce. So let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to go to our settings. And usually under settings, whenever we go to payments here, this is where you'll be able to manage the payments that you have on your account. Now in this case, how do we actually add Stripe into our account here? Well, we need to add an extension. So let's go to the extension section here. Let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, go to the search bar at the top right. Just type in Stripe here. Just press on enter. And from here, what we need to do is we need to click on add to store here. From here, just click on connect account. Now in this case, it's going to load up the Stripe website. So in this case, what we need to do next is we just need to basically follow the steps for us to actually get our account connected. Now in this case, what we need to do here is we need to basically continue as our account here, or if you use a Google account, make sure to use your Google or Apple account here. But for now, let's go and continue with my WooCommerce account here and just click on approve here. It's going to start authorizing that, and from here it's going to load up the whole process. Now it's going to ask us to authorize the connection, so it's going to connect our website here to the following account here in WooCommerce. So let's go ahead and click on approve here, and once you've done that, it should load up the next page here, which in this case you'll be able to see your subscription here in your extensions. Now, in this case, you'll be able to see the following extensions that you have right now. So you've successfully connected your store to woo.com. Now, in this case, let's go ahead and proceed on connecting our account. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and go back to extension here. Just click on add to store again. From here, just click on install. And from here, it's going to start the installation process. Now, in this case, just wait for it to complete. Now, since the installation process is now completed, you'll be able to see the checkout page here. Now, in this case, it's going to have you the Stripe section here. So, going back, the installation is not yet complete. You first have to get the order or order the application itself. So, you need to enter your name here, last name, a company, and any other details that you require here. In this case, go ahead and click on place free order, and you'll be able to get the product for Stripe here, and you'll be able to install it into your WordPress website. Now, once successfully installed, just click on the activate button that you see there, and as you can see, we've just successfully installed it, and it's now ready to use. Now in this case, once we actually go to settings and under payments again, you should be able to see different Stripe payment methods. So you have the Stripe credit card here, Stripe Guard Pay, Stripe Ideal, Stripe Ban Contact, Stripe EPS, and a lot more. In this case, you just need to enable this one and just click on the finish setup here for you to actually start using it. In this case, just click on finish setting up, complete any details that require, and click on the create or connect your account here to successfully connect your accounts. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.